My husband is making me listen to this girl. Good morning, guys. It's a weird day. Usually I pretty much know what I have to cook for breakfast, but this is the last couple of days I'm like getting really confused of what to cook, what not. And usually I have like a set schedule that these are the things that I can cook and this is what I'll cook today, but I'm super confused right now what to cook. Yesterday I got some organic flax seeds. We went grocery shopping and I got these, and I have been hearing a lot about people like having flax seeds and having chia seeds and stuff. So if you have flax seeds, comment down below how do you eat them. Like, do you like just sprinkle them on salad? Do you have a recipe that you, I don't know. I actually really honestly don't know how to use these. I just know a lot of people are using these right now. So yeah, comment down below how you use flax seeds if you do. I also got the ragi, original ragi flakes from Soulful for me and hubby. I'm going to try these out soon and see how they taste. I really loved the vanilla fill ragi bites that they had. So I am making poha for breakfast. Poha is like my when in doubt kind of a dish. When I don't know what to make for breakfast, I make poha. But I want to know what your when in doubt dish is. So when you like doubtful, what do I make for breakfast? What is the one thing that you're like, ठीक है चलो ये तो बना ही लेते हैं. पापा क्या कॉफी बना रही है मम्मा अपनी. चीनी आपके दूध में डाल दी मैंने. In my tummy. I got a focus camera. I got an Odomos wristband which has Beam on it. Beam is the only. हाँ दे रही है मम्मा, दे रही है. ओहो दे रही है, रुको रुको. ओहो. Beam is the only character I know so far because my husband showed him. This is a mosquito repellent wristband which has Beam on it. So I got this for Aravid, and it will also satisfy Aravid's need to have a wristwatch. He watches his dad put on his watch. There you beta, Beam, there you. He watches his dad put on his wristwatch and always looks at his wrist and is like, where is my watch? So this can last up to 15 days, and it comes with a Ziploc bag that I'm supposed to keep this in when it's not in use. Chalo Beam. Aravid doesn't know a lot of cartoon characters at the moment because I haven't really introduced cartoons and TV to him yet. But my husband has shown him the Chhota Bheem song, so he now knows Bheem and loves Bheem. Yeah, Aravid ki watch hai. Aravid ki watch hai. Chhota Bheem ki watch. Do you like it? बा को दिखा दो अपनी वॉच.
वॉच दिखाओ, बा को दिखाओ. कितनी सुंदर है.
ये मच्छर के लिए.
कितनी सुंदर वॉच है. बहुत सुंदर है ये तो.
पापा को दिखाओ.
क्या हुआ टाइम? टाइम तो बता दो. कितना टाइम है? राधे राधे कर लो पापा के साथ.
मम्मा का बेबी कौन है?
अरे भी है. वापस रख दो, वापस रख दो. मम्मा धो देगी. नहीं, बेबी नहीं पहन सकता. बेबी के लिए बड़े हैं ये. बड़े हैं उसके लिए. नहीं आएंगे फिट. वापस रख दो. गंदे हैं ना कपड़े, छीछी हैं. वापस रख दो. कहाँ जा रहे हो? अरे भी गेम खेलने जा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो? गेम खेलोगे?
the things that I hate the most is fighting with people, and I've just had a fight with my maid. Sure, everybody's been there, everybody's been in a fight with their maids at some point or the other, but this one was a little bit too horrible. I am usually okay with a little bit of a disagreement of the maid not cleaning somewhere or me being in a bad mood, and like I have even gone to an extent to apologize to people that I think I've been rude to, irrespective of the fact that if they work for me or you know whatever that is. I have actually honestly I've said sorry to people when I've been in a bad mood and I've just like kind of told them off when I wasn't supposed to. So what happened today was weird. It was really weird. I was sitting and I was feeding Aravind mangoes, and it was his in between snack time, so the bowl of mangoes was kept on on the table, and Aravind was just eating, kind of playing and eating, and suddenly the maid comes and she starts spraying Colin everywhere and she starts cleaning the table, which to be honest she hasn't really cleaned since the last 2 days, and I had been kind of avoiding saying anything to her because she was still new. She just came to our house a week back, so I really didn't want to kind of how do I say this in English, like मुझे वो nooks नहीं निकालने थे like so soon, because she was still new and she was a little old. And I don't know what happened, but while I was feeding Aravi, I was feeding him mangoes, she started spraying Colin everywhere, and one entire spray of Colin goes and lands into that bowl of mango, and I'm like, I tell her, what are you doing? I am feeding Aravi here, can't you see why you're spraying Colin everywhere? And she screams back to me, why don't you go sit somewhere else? I'm working here. I was like a little too dumbstruck to understand what she just said, because I had been sitting there, she came to do like spray stuff and everything, and plus she was in the wrong. Or I mean, the whole thing, she could have just said, I'm sorry, I didn't notice, I'll cut more mangoes, or I'm really sorry. That's I mean, all I needed was a sorry or a, oh my god, I'm sorry, I didn't notice. She told me, why don't you go sit somewhere else? And I'm like, listen, this is my house, I'll sit wherever I want to. Why don't you work? I'm sure I know you need to clean the table, but you go do some other work and do this later. And she tells me, you're lying. I'm like, what? She's like, you're lying, Colin, Colin didn't even go in that bowl. I'm like, that's when I got really angry. I'm like, why would I lie? Firstly, I mean, what would I gain from it? Which made no sense at all. And I was like so super angry in the morning. This happened in the morning. It's now around 4:45. I was like really just angry at the fact that, why did she say that? Why are you lying? Why? What would I gain? Like, I will lose a maid, I will have to do household work, I will only lose. Anyway, so that happened today. It was extremely stupid. I just thought, I don't even know why I'm putting this on the internet, but I just thought, I don't know, let's update you guys with what's happening. I'm sure you, okay, comment down below if you've had like a really stupid fight with your maid, like whether it's you who has been stupid or whether it's the maid who has been stupid. If it's just been like a very stupid thing, like I think this is very stupid. Like, obviously she was in the wrong. She sprayed Aravi's mango with Colin. How can she expect, like, I'm a mother. Any mother would freak out when that happens, and then she tells me to move from there, and then she tells me that I'm a liar. Anyways, after she says that, why the hell are you lying to me? Why the hell are you lying? And I get angry because I'm like, I tell her that, why would I lie? I mean, what's the point in lying? And then she's like, if you're going to talk to me so rudely, I'm not going to work here. I'm like, fine, don't work here, get out. And we kicked her out. Obviously we paid for the number of days that she worked here, but like, I don't get it. Why would like somebody behave like that? I don't understand. Like, if you're wrong, you're wrong, that's it, end of discussion. If she would have just simply said I'm sorry, or she would have just simply said I'm sorry, I didn't notice, that's it, that was the end of discussion. I saw no point in aggregating it further. That was just stupid, basically. Anyways, I'm wearing this shirt from Brahmi.com, which I really love. I love embroidery or t-shirts and shirts so much. It's so kind. It's not just the fact because it's in. I hardly ever wear anything because it's in fashion. I wear things that I love, and when I first saw a shirt like this, I was like, I need it in my life, and I'm so happy that they sent this to me. So excited. Selena Gomez just released her Bad Liar audio. I haven't seen it yet, and she has been teasing us so much on Instagram. Hello? 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 आर्यवीर, आप मुझे अंदर कमरे से फोन कर रहे हो? हाँ मम्मी जी। आर्यवीर, अच्छा आ रही हूँ। Arya is calling me like right from that room.
कहाँ छोटा बेबी? हाय बेबी, हाय बेबी। ओए होए, मम्मा की बाजू को किच्छी मिल गई। मम्मा को भी दे दो। हाय, मम्मा के बाल काट रहे हो?
थोड़ी देर में बेचैन हो जाता है।
बाल है?
फिर कहीं चली ना गई।
हाँ, मैं कहीं नहीं गई थी।
नो, मुंह में नहीं डालते।
किच्छी है।
नहीं बेटा, मुंह में नहीं डालते।
क्या करना है तुम्हें? तुम मम्मा का फेस साफ करना चाहते हो? मम्मा ने मेकअप लगाया हुआ है। नहीं,
He never ever says कि Mom, I want to clean your face. Mom done makeup and he's like, Mom, I want to clean your face. We got this yesterday. It's from a company called Only, and it's roasted garlic and pink salt grinder, and I love it. I just put some in Aryaveer's cutlets, and I love it. It tastes really garlicky. Hi Aryaveer. It tastes really garlicky, which I love. I love strong garlic smell, which I know makes me smell, but like I can't help it, man. I love strong garlic smell. हाँ जी बेबी,
कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? क्या लेके भाग रहे हो ये? मम्मा को दे दो ये। किस चीज की डब्बी है? आर्यवीर की डब्बी है ये। ओ भागा, ओ डब्बी लेके भागा। मम्मा को दे दो, मम्मा को दे दो। मम्मा की डब्बी है। ओ डब्बी चोर, ओ डब्बी चोर, ओ डब्बी लेके भागा। किसकी डब्बी है ये? आर्यवीर की डब्बी है। भाग गया, ओ भाग गया।
दादी को दे दो।
तुम ये भी यहाँ पे ले आए? मैं तुम्हें क्या बोला था? खेलने को बोला था ना? हप शैतान, हप हप।
दादी को दे दो।
दादी को दे दिया आपने? ओ छुपा रहे। आइसक्रीम की है?
I am going to for my snack have these Arab makhanas. These are Punjabi tadka makhanas, which is very different. I personally do love Divinity, but I've also recently started eating a lot of makhanas from the company called Arab, and I have really liked them so far. I'm kind of excited to try. Aryaveer says hi. I'm kind of excited to try Punjabi tadka. आ जाओ आप अपनी टिक्की खाओ. Here goes the first bite. They taste like something, I just cannot place what. They taste like olive oil. It has olive oil in it. It tastes like chole masale for some reason. Although maybe that's why they call it Punjabi tadka, because like chole are like very Punjabi-ish kind of a thing. Although it tastes like raw chole ka masala, so I'm not really sure if this is like, I like it, I don't dislike it, but I don't love it. So yeah, that was my review. Will I rebuy it? Probably not. I don't like it that much. We are going, bless you, bless you. We are going sabji shopping, and Aryaveer is tied at my back. Look at how cute this is. This is like the smallest bangan ever. Look at that gigantic onion. That's a normal sized onion, and that's the gigantic onion. Somebody has half a giraffe in their garden. Cool. Look, Totapuri aam. Its shape is so super cute. And these are Sinduri? Safeda. These are Safeda. Normal Karela. World's smallest Karela. Look at all these greens. So I only know palak, methi, bathua, dhania, pudina. This is cholia. This is chulai. Kalmi or poi. This is really new. क्या राई? राई का साग भी बनता है?
सरसों की तरह ही होता है।
अच्छा। सब्जी सब्जी लाया अरे भी क्या लाया?
सब्जी सब्जी सब्जी।
क्या लाया? My husband is making me listen this.
Number 13 on trending. 1 million views.
This is like an extremely cheap copy of Friday. Like Friday was bad. This is worse. Lip syncing में बेकार.
पीछे वालों को देखो.
Selfie फिर भी अच्छी है, but like the sound is not that. Comments पढ़ो.
Disabled for comments.
बहुत ज़्यादा हेट मिला होगा ना.
देखो यो कैसे करते.
My husband is making me listen to this girl. मेरे ही वीडियो देख लो पैसे मिलेंगे. क्यों दिखा मुझको ही?
पीछे वाले लोग देखो.
ये नहीं सुना अपने वेणु मालिक के? इसके सुनो. इसके तो इससे भी बेटर है. देखो 9.5 मिलियन व्यूज. आपने बाबा सैगा के लेटेस्ट सुने?
बहुत गंदे.
Like बहुत अच्छे वाले गंदे हैं. I don't mean to hate on anybody. Like I'm sure that's a kind of talent. It's probably not a talent that I approve of, I guess. Although the song is extremely catchy because it's going on in my head. Selfie maine le liya. Selfie maine. I mean, it's irritating. It's like Friday. I loved it, but I hated it. So I think it's the same with this song. Anyways, I'm going to end my vlog here. Aravi is asleep. We've had our dinner. I'm just going to go take my makeup off and edit tomorrow's video. So that's what is going to happen now. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.